And Gil de Ferran is going to be having words with Hiro Matsushita at the end of this race. Is being held up again by the Japanese driver. So his lead, well, the caption said 3.01 seconds, but I'm sure that's been reduced because Hiro Matsushita held Gil de Ferran up, and Alex Zanardi looks like he's straight past the Japanese driver. So now that, I would say that's down to about 2 seconds now, with less than 10 laps to go. You see Alex Zanardi, and he knows it. He can see Gil de Ferran. He sees his prey up ahead, and hard on the power out of turn 1. We could have an absolutely barnstorming finish here at Cleveland. Alex Zanardi chasing his second win of 1996. Of course, this is Zanardi's first year in the IndyCars, but don't mistake that for a lack of experience. He's raced Formula One for a few seasons. He's very good behind the wheel of an open-wheel race car. Gil de Ferran chasing his first win of 1996. Has had some strong finishes so far. Will be Gil de Ferran's first win since Laguna Seca last year. But it looks like he's going to have to hold off Alex Zanardi here, and it's such a wide track. Gil de Ferran is going to have to drive supremely well to defend his position from Alex Zanardi. And we know Alex Zanardi, the young Italian driver, exciting to watch, loves to have a go. If there's half a chance, he'll go for it. Alex Zanardi, of course, relatively out of the title running as well, so with less to lose than Gil de Ferran. Gil de Ferran senses a chance to get back in his title hunt today. Alex Zanardi can go for glory. So break down into turn 1. The final chicane of a lap. So 3 laps to go. The gap is less than 1 second between Gil de Ferran and Alex Zanardi. We have traffic up ahead. Alex Zanardi trying to take the title line. You see him sliding onto the power, trying to get as much traction as he can, the maximum acceleration out of that corner to close on Gil de Ferran. Oh, and Gil de Ferran's been bonked horribly there. Alex Zanardi's going to close on him. We see behind from Gil de Ferran, Alex Zanardi is closing. He's going to have a go here. Alex Zanardi round the outside. Alex Zanardi locks up. Gil de Ferran's going to come back at him round the outside of a chicane. Gil de Ferran maintains the lead by the skin of his teeth.